Hello everyone, my name is Hing. I'm a fashion designer. Today I would like to show you guys about my everyday carry-on. The first one is my mobile phone. It's very important to me because it's like a part of me. I use it to connect with my people, for searching the information, social media, and it's helped me of almost everything. And I also use it for watching Netflix or something. And the second one is my power bank. I use it to recharge my phone. The third one is body lotion from Estee Lauder. It smells really good, and I like to use it almost every time. And the fourth one is the perfume from Miss Dior. I also like the smells, and I also use my lipstick from MAC. It's nude color. The sixth one is my village. I use it every day because I need to pay for everything, and this is really important. Last one is my car remote. I use it every day because I always go out to school, to work, and for hanging out. It's really important to me. And that is it. Thank you guys for spending your time watching my video. I hope it can give benefit to you guys. Thank you.